Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Framer versus Webflow. Figma is renowned for its collaborative design environment, making it a powerhouse for UI and UX teams working together in real time. Framer shines in creating highly interactive prototypes and translating designs into production-ready code components. Webflow, on the other hand, empowers designers to build and launch fully functional, responsive websites without writing a single line of code, offering a comprehensive no-code development solution. When it comes to design and prototyping, Figma offers unparalleled vector editing and real-time collaboration, supporting hundreds of artboards in a single file. Framer excels with its advanced animation capabilities and component-based design, allowing for high-fidelity, interactive prototypes that feel like live products. Webflow provides a visual canvas where designers directly manipulate CSS properties, building responsive layouts and complex interactions directly on the web, offering precise control over every design element. Regarding development and handoff, Figma streamlines the process with its inspect mode, allowing developers to easily extract CSS, iOS, and Android code snippets. Framer takes it a step further by generating production-ready React components, ensuring a seamless transition from design to development. Webflow fundamentally changes the handoff by eliminating it entirely. Designers build and publish live websites directly, managing hosting and content within the platform, making the entire process incredibly efficient. Ultimately, Figma is best for collaborative UI/UX design and robust design systems, supporting teams of any size. Framer is ideal for designers focused on highly interactive prototypes and front-end component development, bridging the gap to code. Webflow is perfect for building custom, responsive websites and e-commerce stores without coding expertise. Pricing models vary, with free tiers available, and paid plans typically starting from around $15 to $20 per month for basic professional features across all three platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.